Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
It was confirmed to me just now by my niece Tanya, and remember my friend, the doctor. Yeah, he just confirmed it to me too. Right? There's 14 people confirmed cases in Jamaica of the coronavirus. Right? 3 deaths. And they're not saying anything about it. So what I need you to understand, you need to contact your family, get everybody to wash them hands properly and stay away from the goddamn Chinese down there and keep themselves to themselves, wash their hands regularly and these kind of things. Lots of tangerine, a lot of tangerine and oranges. Okay? Please. Okay, love you, sweetie.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I just presented to you an audio that is out there, and that audio is considered to be a voice note. You see me? And that voice note, according to some of the things that has been said in that voice note, or you can say audio, it would seem as if the person is saying that the coronavirus had reached into the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, there's rumors out there where it is said that the coronavirus had reached the country of Jamaica, right? And upon hearing those rumors, I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to do some research to find out if this is true. You see what I'm saying to you? Because, if this is true, I have to try and know what I want. You see what I'm saying to you? I saw a video out on social media that shows of the Minister of Health and Wellness, who is known as Dr. Christopher Tufton, talking about the COVID-19 and also the rumors that is out there about the COVID-19 or the coronavirus reached into Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, but what he had said, viewers and subscribers, according to how I understand it, it would seem as if he's saying that there is no cases of the coronavirus in Jamaica up to a specific time. You see me? Yeah, so according to how I understand it, it would seem as if the Minister of Health and Wellness of Jamaica, who is Dr. Christopher Tufton, is saying that there is no reported cases or case of the coronavirus in the country of Jamaica up to a certain time. But I'm going to play the video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Alright? So take a listen to the person that is known as Dr. Christopher Tufton talking about the COVID-19, or persons would call it coronavirus as well. Alright? Listen and observe.
In terms of the COVID-19, which I know is quite a topical issue, and I know will come up, as of the 3rd of March 2020 at 8 a.m., Mr. Chairman and colleagues, we can report that Jamaica has had no case of COVID-19. I want to stress that no case of COVID-19. And I'm stressing that because there are so many rumors out there. I mean, I get 10 WhatsApp messages on social media, voice notes, written notes, from that there is a case in almost every parish. And I just want to reassure the public, as soon as the clinical team determine that there is, the public will be informed, because we're not hiding anything from the public. And that's very important to say. So there's no case. If there is a case, we will let you know.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The person that is known as Dr. Christopher Tufton talking about the rumors that is out there about the whole COVID-19, you see me, or you can say coronavirus as well. And he went on to say some things that in my point of view, it would seem as if it had cleared the air about this whole thing where it is said that, the coronavirus had reached Jamaica and all these things. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, my opinion about something like this where it is said that rumors is out there that the coronavirus had reached the country of Jamaica, my opinion is that, rumors is just something that is out there where it's like speculating about something that had happened, you see me? And there might be a thin line that sometimes these rumors can be true, but however, I would rather go by facts, is what I'm saying to you. And therefore, when it comes down to something like this, I would listen to what the Minister of Health and Wellness of Jamaica would say about something like this, and that person is Dr. Christopher Tufton. Alright? Yeah, and you can let me know if I'm wrong or I'm right. That's what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. And you can also tell me what you think about the rumors that is out there where it is said that the coronavirus had reached the country of Jamaica. You see me? You can tell me if you believe it or not, and you can also tell me if it is fake news or not. You see me? Yeah, like if the rumors is fake or not. You see me? Alright, so this is where I leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?